everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen PS4 that won't turn off. And before we just unplug it from the wall outlet, let's just go over to the actual power button. So you can see my PS4. If we go to the power button, we can just hold this down and we'll turn it off. So let's do that now. Hold down the power button, you will hear one beep, and then you should hear another beep like 10 seconds later, and this will force turn it off. So once we have it forced turn off, we can start into the safe mode now and rebuild the database, and that should hopefully prevent this happening in the future. Now if it doesn't turn off, what we could do is just turn it around, and this shouldn't hurt your PS4 at all, just unplugging it. Even when you unplug it, when it says do not unplug, you should still be good to go, and you shouldn't have any of your data like erased or lost. Just unplug it, probably from that wall outlet if you can access this, because from the actual PlayStation side right here, it's a little bit difficult to yank out. Like, it can actually take some effort. And then just leave it unplugged for about a minute, and then plug it back in. Now, what we want to do, instead of just starting it up, we want to launch it into the safe mode and rebuild the database. Maybe there's some sort of corrupted data or something like that causing it to freeze. Or maybe you really need to clean the inside of it if there is a lot of dust or something like that. So you can also just take off the side here, and you should be able to see if there's a lot of dust. So here's the hard drive. If there's just by the hard drive, there's got to be way more actually inside the PlayStation 4. So get some cleaning spray or something like that, compressed air, start spraying around the sides here and try to dislodge any of that dust if you're not going to be opening it up. Now, what we want to do is hold down the power button with our PS4 turned off. So you're going to hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear another beep. And then you can let go. And to operate now, the safe mode menu, you need your PlayStation 4 controller plugged directly in with a USB cable. Now, go up to the top to the safe mode menu here, and you can see it. Press the PlayStation button. Going down to option number 5, rebuild database. Go over to the right and go to OK. Says it may take a few hours. My experience, since I have an SSD, it only takes like 10 seconds. And if you have any kind of corrupted data or anything like that, this should go ahead and fix it. So wait for this to go to the restart screen, and then it's going to turn blue, and it'll give you an estimated amount of time of how long this is going to take. But you should do this every year, if not every 3 or 4 months, just to fix any kind of corrupted data on your hard drive. So you can see how quickly mine is going. I have a 2.5-inch SSD for a laptop on my PS4. And if you want to improve the speeds of your PS4, definitely get an SSD. And that will make Minecraft load like in a minute and like 25 seconds versus like 40 minutes. It's so much quicker. Maybe only like 5 minutes it actually takes to load, but it's much quicker. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.